It's Tip Tuesday. I'm Mark Shirley with the Louisiana Sea Grant and LSU AgCenter. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to peel crabs. We have some crabs that were boiled last night. I like to break off the claws first. The trick is to take a small paring knife like this, and you're going to cut the top portion of the shell off. Each of the meat and the legs, cut those off, and use the point of the knife to come in each little cell and scoop out all the meat. Okay, the claws, you can use some pecan crackers, and right here in the crease, right behind the joint, kind of crack that and bend it, and if you pull it out just right, you have a nice big piece of crab meat, just like that. Once you get the hang of this, you can pick a lot of crab meat right away. It won't take you long, and it's really, really good. So good.